Hello everyone, my name is Onyx Prisiana.
I am Stephanie.
I'm Tirsa Ungu and we
are from Possible.
In Indonesia, the food and beverage industry is growing very rapidly. This is because the food and beverage is the basic necessity for the Indonesia people. Indonesia's consumptive behavior is also the one of the aspects that encourages this technique. Even in the pandemic era, the food and beverage industry is still successful. However, there are often obstacles related to the formation of the culinary business, such as limited space and limited equipment. Because of the problem that occurred, Dapur Kita was formed.
Dapur Kita is commissary kitchen that they raise their kitchen to provide a space for a local and small business owners in the surrounding area to prepare their product, foods and beverages for their customer. Client can rent their services in long term for weekly and short term for hourly contract. They have healthy and safety standard made by the local healthy department. Dapur Kita has their own goals to attract more customers to cooperate with the services they offer. Dapur Kita wants to make more partnership with local farmers and suppliers to provide the ingredients that can be used by the client.
There are several services that Dapur Kita offers, such as first, kitchen. For clients to make and prepare their product, Dapur Kita provides a chef to help the clients cook the food or to prepare the ingredients that will be needed by the clients. 2. Toko Kita, where clients sell the product to visitors, but with the provision they must have a membership first. 3. Outdoor space, that is intended for outdoor cooking activities such as barbecue or for an event such as birthday parties and so on. In addition, they also provide kitchen utensils and cleaning tools that clients can use. So, wanna know about Dapur Kita? Let's check the details!
Like business in general, Dapur Kita also has their own problem, such as has limited space so that only one client can rent a kitchen at the same time. Reservation only made by phone call. Exchanging between clients take 1 hour for employees to check the equipment used by the client, which can lead to narrower operating hour. Stolen, broken, or loose equipment even though they have CCTV and the detection alarm. No report for equipment. Checking and validating payment is still manually. Customer can cancel the reservation at the last moment.
Based on problem we discussed before, we turn into a few questions to helping us in finding solution to any existing problem. 1. How to optimize the limited space. 2. How do I make it easier for client to make reservation? 3. How to deal with the depth and damage to equipment more optimally apart from the use of CCTV and alarms. 4. How can I make maximum equipment checking in a short duration? 5. How can a client not easily cancel a reservation at least the moment? What are the consequences?
So, we choose to use web-based as a platform to help Dapur Kita to promote and manage their services. From the client side, web-based also helps clients easily make reservations and find out the services offered. Furthermore, there are several advantages of the new system that we offer, such as first, data security is maintained because the web uses encryption features so that personal data cannot be accessed by outside parties. Previously, client data was only stored in Excel. This allowed outsiders to access clients' personal data and information. However, with the website, only web admins and clients who has access to view data.
2. Easy reservation. Previously, clients had to pay quite a lot to make phone calls with the Dapur Kita admin. However, with a website, clients can place orders anywhere and anytime they want. 3. Easy payments. There are benefits of easy payment for both clients and the Dapur Kita site. Clients can get easy payments because the web is integrated with many payment options, such as bank transfers and e-wallets. From the Dapur Kita site, easy payments can ease the burden on the admin in verifying payments, because by being integrated with many payment system consort, payment can be verified automatically.
Fourth, there is a data collection of equipment they own. With the website, the service team can collect data on incoming and outgoing equipment. Every item used by the client will be recorded first. This is to anticipate lost item and also to prevent unavailable incident management. Fifth, client marketing media and sales media. On the website, there are features Toko Kita Online and Market Kita Online. Toko Kita Online can be means for clients to market their product, while Market Kita can be means for local farmers to market their crops. The profit generated by client can be shared with Dapur Kita with a nominal set by Dapur Kita. Both of them provide detailed information about the product and the client offers, including prices and client contacts. With the concept that adopt e-commerce, customer can make product purchases through the Dapur Kita web platform. Regarding delivery services, Dapur Kita can be integrated with various delivery media, such as GNE and also online delivery services. 6. Easy rescheduling. With the website, client will be easier to reschedule by looking at the calendar. Through the calendar, client can also see the dates that are still available, so if the client wants to reschedule using the kitchen, it can be easier and doesn't have to be through a phone call like before.
7. Easy to remind client. With a web that is integrated with push notification, it is possible to have a reminder to client when the payment is due and when their working day is near. With the option, we hope user will no longer cancel in the last minute. In addition, we synchronize that notification that appear not only through the client's gadget, but can also be connected to the client's email. 8. Media reports for client. Client can see the report on how many times they use the Dapur Kita kitchen and the point they earn. 9. Consulting media for client. Consulting media for client, where clients can consult and ask questions about Dapur Kita services. 10. Easy to request. With the add-on feature, the client can request any ingredients and tools they need when using the kitchen.
Other than that, there are several solutions that we offer, such as detailed SLA of regarding cancellations. If the customer cancels before 3 days of reservation kitchen, the customer will be free of payment fees. But if the customer cancels after 3 days, the DP that the customer paid for will be forfeited and will be charged a cancellation fee according to the company's policy. The existing outdoor space is too big. Outdoor space is better to be converted into a rooftop space. In addition to expanding the space, the use of rooftops is also a trend lately. Build offline Market Kita. This aims to help local farmers to market their products by sharing their profit with Dapur Kita parties. Deposit for equipment clients use. This is an attempt to destroy equipment by the client. The deposit will be refunded to the client if the client is proven to have damaged the equipment.